Well, good Wednesday morning, folks, and it is wet out here. We're getting a little later start than usual, and golf anyone? This is our load this morning that we have to take in first before we start doing our regular pickup. So anyways, that is a lot of golf clubs. And it's like a big mesh of metal, and it'll be interesting unloading this. Am I going to help you unload this, Ron?
Yes.
Oh boy. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. And so it's boot day today, so he has his rubber boots, and I'm wearing my fancy boots. I have the blue and with the golden little butterflies.
Yeah.
So anyways, for the people who know me, well, this is me. Anyways, we'll
You
have to tie.
We gotta put lots of this in the back here.
Okay.
To,
Oh, right now?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because I can't pick this up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's heavy. Okay. So I'm gonna have to help him kind of rearrange this. Okay. Talk to you later. Okay. We're at the scrapyard, and this is even before we start our pickups because we have a trailer full of golf clubs. So we have to get those off, and then we can start our regular pickups. And that's where we're at today. And I think somebody's coming out, so we're backing up. And that's it. All right. And I think with all... Okay, it's our turn. And here we go. Well, you've all seen the whole trailer full of golf clubs, so I'm going to help Ron unload that, and
you need to deliver the Timbits to the working guys back here.
oh yes, the Timbits, right. We buy them Timbits once a month for everybody, just so they have a little snack, just because we want to, and to just say, just thanks. And thank goodness I'm wearing my handy dandy rubber boots today. Okay, here we go. we're starting this Wednesday afternoon with a clean trailer. Look at that, folks. Oh my goodness. And our first pickup is 2 barbecues. You need me to help you with that other end? Nope, I guess not. Now that's a biggie. That is a biggie. I just don't feel like cutting any cords today. It's just kind of not in the mood for that, you know?
Want a green light?
No. Do you know how much hydro that would... And where were we going to plug that in? We have no room.
Just kidding.
I was going to say. Oh. Hey. Okay. Is that a cast aluminum barbecue? It is? That's what I kind of figured. I'm really starting to know my scrap. I'm very, very proud of myself. But I have a wonderful, wonderful teacher.
He has the patience of a saint.
Yeah, Saint too. Saint Bernard, you got that right. Oh my goodness. All right.
Okay.
And we're off to the next stop. Okay, what do we have in here? What's our little box of goodies in there? Ooh. Wow. What is that kind of stuff?
It's a metal hose.
A metal hose. I know, but for use for what though? Anyways, that's the answer I get.
I don't know.
I just, well, what would that, you don't know what that would be used for? I don't know. I've never seen that. A metal hose like that. Very interesting. Okay. So he has to get his trailer sorted out before we can go and get the rest of the stuff. Okay, he's gonna go and get our next little odds and sods from here.
Hello. How are you? Good, thank you.
Hello, hi. Thank you for your donation.
Thank you for taking it away.
Oh, no problem. Okay. Hey there, puppy. Hi. Oh, you're barking at me when I have cookies for you. Aren't you sweet? Oh, you're so fluffy. Here you go, sweetie. Here you go, honey. Here you go, honey. Take it. There you go. Hey, don't be afraid of that. It's a cookie. Oh, that's a good cookie.
Hey, we'll break it in half and give it to you.
Oh, you
Smell
like
the
it
inside.
broken in half. Oh,
He'll take it after.
yeah. You're just a
Can I
little.
try?
Are you just a little bit
You
scared?
want this cookie? Okay, you gotta sit down nice. You gotta sit nice. You gotta sit nice. Sit. And then you get a cookie.
What do you have to do?
You gotta sit nice.
What do you have to
You
do?
gotta sit nice.
Sit. Sit, please. Sit. Hey,
Okay, here we go.
No, just a little bit scared.
he usually sits.
Oh,
Oh, cleared up a little bit.
oh, eh?
But we needed that. Right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We did.
No,
What do you go all over the city?
No, we try to stay in this area and around, not too far, but you are one beautiful puppy dog. You are. How old are you?
It's 12.
12. Yeah, still a puppy though. Always a
nice
puppy.
day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, honey. Yeah. Ah, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. There you go. Okay, have a wonderful day.
This bed was my dad's bed on the farm in Saskatchewan over, 80 plus 100 years ago.
Yeah.
So this bed came from the farm of Saskatchewan 80 odd years ago, his bed, and I used to sleep in it as a teenager. And unfortunately, the kids today don't want it. So you know what? Dad rode a horse to school. This is going to help a horse.
Yeah.
And that's exactly why it's coming to you today.
Yeah.
So that's
Wow.
my story.
And if you have a chance, go and take a tour of Sage Hill
Yeah,
Stables.
yeah.
You'll
for
love
sure.
it there.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right. Send me
yeah.
a note and remind me what it's called and
Okay.
everything, and that'll be great.
What a nice story.
So
Yeah.
that's a tough one. It's been sitting in
Yeah.
our basement for a lot of years.
Aw.
And I think my daughter, I think she might have slept in it when she was young. But you know what? We're at that stage now where we're downsizing, right? And it's like, if this is for a horse, Dad would like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, and
So
it's
there you
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
the horse's name is Chase,
Yeah.
and he's a new Ojibwe spirit horse.
See, even better.
Yeah.
So there you
Perfect.
go.
Well,
So
thank
this
you.
Is good for
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Aw.
Great.
Well, we were going to our next stop, and Ron just happened to find this dishwasher. I totally didn't see that at all. And there it goes. Trip number 2. Here we go. Okay, that wraps up another week, another Wednesday. And thank you again for all your donations. Ron, is there anything you would like to say?
It was a late start because of the rain, but we did manage to unload 3 loads, and we've got a load in the back for tomorrow, and everything's good. Thank you very much, everybody.
Yeah, it was turned out to be a really nice day.
Make sure you Google Sage Hill stables and look up their indigenous horse, their spirit horse, Chase. Read up about it. Very interesting. That's who we're helping to support this month. Maybe next month also. We're not sure yet, but we'll see. Anyways, thank you very much. It was beautiful. Thank you.
All right, and we won't be out next Wednesday.
Oh yeah, we won't be out next week.
Not next Wednesday, but we'll be out again in 2 weeks, so we'll talk to you then.
Save your scrap for 2 weeks.
Yep, and everyone have a great week. And happy Thanksgiving! How can I
happy
forget?
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye for now.
Bye.